After this video, you will make the cheesiest mac and cheese at home. First, boil the water and add 1 cube of chicken broth with some salt. Add the pasta and mix to prevent it from sticking. Don't cook the pasta fully as it will continue cooking in the oven. Now for the sauce, in the pan add 4 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of flour. When you smell the flour roasting, add the spices mix. I will write this mix below. Give this mix some frying with the butter and the flour, and then we will add 3 cups of heavy cream. Add it gradually and mix to get rid of any lumps. Now we will add the milk gradually. I will add 2 cups of milk. Continue to mix until you reach a smooth texture. At this stage, use the whisk to get rid of any lumps and to reach a smoother texture. This is the consistency that you want. Now we will add the cheese, but do not boil the sauce to prevent the cheese from curdling. For the cheese, I will use a mix of cheddar cheese and Emmental. If you don't have it, you can replace it with mozzarella cheese. Bring the cheese to the room temperature, then add it to the sauce. Mix it slowly, and when you see it melting, turn the heat off. It will melt with the heat of the sauce. So this is the final consistency of the sauce with the cheese. Now we have to add the pasta and mix the pasta with the sauce. I forgot to add the mustard, just add it before adding the cheese. The pasta will reduce the temperature of the sauce so it will get thicker. Don't worry, it will melt again in the oven. Now in an oven tray brushed with some butter, add half of the quantity. We will put some cheese in the middle and on the top, an equal amounts of mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese and Emmental. Mix all 3 types together. This is a very delicious mix. You can use it for many types of casseroles you're having at home. Now we will put half the quantity in the middle between the 2 layers of pasta. Add the second layer. Then put the rest of the cheese on the top. To a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius, in the middle rack, the heat from the bottom. For 15 to 20 minutes, then broil it from the top. You can put some chopped parsley on the top for decoration. Serve it directly when it's hot. It's very delicious. The cheese is melted and amazing. Make this mac and cheese for your next gathering, and I'm sure everyone will ask you for the recipe. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.